Okay, now let's think about these two inequalities. One is the absolute value of x is greater than or equal to -2. Another one is the absolute value of x is less than or equal to -2. Now, again, we use the geometric interpretation to think about this. So this means that the distance from the number x to 0 is greater than or equal to -2. And since we know that the distance can never be a negative, right? We don't have a negative distance. So therefore, no matter where my x is, the distance from the x to 0 is always greater than -2. Let's say, for example, if my x is here, and you consider the distance from this x and 0, this number is gonna be some positive number, right? Or, for example, if my x is here, and when you consider the distance from this number to 0, this is still be positive, right? Or even though you consider if x is at 0, so the distance from 0 to itself, that distance is 0, which still be greater than -2, right? So this means what? This means the x could be anywhere. X could be any number. Therefore, the solution is from -infinity to +infinity. Any numbers between -infinity to +infinity, when you consider how far that number is from 0, the distance is always be non-negative. So it's always greater than -2. Alright, now let's consider what about we swap the sign. Well, if we swap the sign, the solution will be empty. There's no solution because you couldn't find any number on this number 9 such that the distance from that number to 0 is smaller than a negative number, right? So therefore there's no solution.